How India will become a developed country? It is a very important question. Although people assume, people think, people say that soon India will become a developed country, but it is not a correct fact. It will take a lot of time, it will take a lot of effort. I wish that we should concentrate on our scientific work, scientific research, scientific inventions. These are the ways through which we can take our country forward. We can take our country to that particular destination. Although we are doing research, we are working in our laboratories, we are working in our research centers, but what the dedication is needed is to be developed until and unless each and every citizen does not become a scientific one, our aim will not be completed. I wish that now this is the time when we should change our strategies, we should change our methodologies of research and developments. Now, this is not the time when we get satisfied with many research papers, but now time is different. The time when all Western countries are running in field of inventions, they are completely involved and giving their beautiful inputs to get good and remarkable researches. India also should develop those strategies, those methodologies, and it is my dream that each and every home should have at least a single scientist, at least a single patent in every house of country. The day when this dream will be completed, that will be the glorious day for me. I know that it is not a very easy task, but it is not a very difficult task also. Each and every student should be taught in such a way that they do not study for their degrees, their jobs, but they should study, they should read their scientific books, scientific research, informations for development of their scientific skills. To study science is a different thing. To get degree, job is another thing, but scientific spirit, scientific aptitude development is completely different from it. If we read, if we study science but we do not apply in our daily life, then there is no use of our science study. And this is the way through which we can change our strategies, we can change our conditions. These are daily live activities who inspire, who boost up to do some invention, because necessary instruments, necessary substitute are to be developed. So if we want to get some work, then we have to develop its different instruments, different methodologies, and which lead to inventions. So it is my first emphasis that we should read, we should learn science for scientific development, not only for our degrees and designations or jobs. This strategy should be changed the day on which it will be completed. Our country, India, will become a developed country by itself.